Tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Casetify promo codes. So let's get started. So Casetify is an online website which sells mobile accessories, for example the screen protractor, camera lens, and etc. So you might be wondering on how you can get a discount. Well, you'll have to go to your web browser and search up Casetify promo codes, and then you're gonna be redirected to a new page. So just click on the first website, 30% off Casetify promo codes. So I'm gonna click on it. Okay, so once I'm here, that's the logo for Casetify right there, and you can go and see all these offers. So let's say the second one, buy one get 10% off, buy two get 20% off. So I'm gonna click on it, and that's the code you can use for this offer. You can just click continue and put this code at checkout. Well, you can also go and see all the other codes as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to some other website and show you a few more. So now I'm gonna go to this website, thegoodfinds.co. Okay, 10% off on first order. So I'm gonna click show code, and that's the code SMS10 to get a 10% off on your first order. So now you can go and see this one as well. So use this promo code for 15% off any order at Casetify. Show code, and that's the code for getting 15% off any product. And then that's it for this website. So there are only 2 promo codes here. So now you can of course explore other websites as well and see if you can find some other promo codes. So yeah, alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.